Alright guys, so this is how the front unit looks, nice and clear by VEVOR. So we have it connected to our window. You can, it comes with all this stuff. So we directly have it connected. And now we got our settings on here. You got cool, fan, dry, sleep, timer, high, low, and auto. Love how the auto, woo! Wow. You can feel that air, oh my word. That's incredible. That was like instant cold. Wow. 66.4, the air is blowing. Let's see here. 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, 58, 57 degrees, 56, 55, 54 degrees. So you can see how cold that is. 52. This unit works really, really well. I mean, it was 69 in here and it just dropped it down to 67. Now it is right by that, so, and that's on low. What about high? Oh my word! This thing blows like a jet fan. That's incredible, and it's so ice cold. So this is on high. You could do auto, which automatically would go by whatever setting you set. So you can have it as low as 64 degrees. Let's see how high you can go. 90 degrees. We can set it for dry or just the fan. But overall, guys, this is amazing. This unit is absolutely amazing. This is a unit, so it comes with your foam, it comes with your controller as well, and your manual. And this is the setup. So this is a self-tank unit. That means you don't have to run a line, and when it's full, it will let you know. So basically, this is how you put on your air duct. Place it in here, slide it down, and then we're going to connect it to our window right over there. You have a removable screen for cleaning, as well as a removable screen for cleaning as well. You have two drain valves right through here, and one down here. One's for your condenser, depending on your location.